नहीं, सब लोग सुन रहे हैं मेरा बात, क्योंकि हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ ना, तो उन लोगों को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। अभी तो वो देख रहे, फोन का वीडियो देख रहा है। अब
Alright guys, this happens to me all the time. Tell me if this happens to you. It's so frustrating. Like, looking at this perfectly good spot here to pull in, and then you come around the corner and there's like a little dinky car there. It's so frustrating.
funny, Chris.
Now there's nowhere else to park. Come on.
Hey boys, you guys left me there.
Yeah.
Again.
As much as we love looking at women's clothes, we have to get going.
We have a special character here in the store, and his name is Spider-Man!
EVA.
Hey Austin.
This is my favorite. This is like my favorite character from Star Wars. EVA.
Austin, look. This is Austin's first M&M. You don't like it? It's Coco. It's Coco. You don't like it?
What?
Have a red one. Eat a red one. See, Daddy's eating it. It's Coco. Can Mom have one? Can Mom? Thank you. Oh my God, Daddy. Stop it. Bite. Guam.
He's fine.
Peanut butter.
What are you doing backwards? Hey, you guys sort of match. You got neon on your shirt. Austin got neon. Oh my God. Oh my God, I thought he was gonna get scared when he barks.
It's like fireworks out.
What do you think? Yeah! Hi, Thomas. Wave. Hi, Thomas. Look at all these people here. So far, this is still early. This place will get super crowded later on.
want it?
No.
No, after all that. Here.
Stop pulling my skirt. No, Austin. Here, Daddy got you ice cream. Look at A. Okay, would you like one? Okay. Look at A. I knew it. I knew once Aiden would have it. This is a special way to eat ice cream. Watch the whole thing knocks over. How's the ice cream? Good? Give me thumbs up. Good. How's your ice cream? Thumbs up good or just good? Good. Okay, let's go walking.
What do
Let's
they
go
have
walk.
at Texas Roadhouse?
I don't know.
Do they have food or what is it?
It looks like a food. Look.
Huh. I don't know, maybe we'll be going there later.
Look at them. Dance! He's too busy walking. Austin, dance! Can you dance? Dance? It is super hot in the sun, but when you're in the shade, it is perfect.
Barely protects him.
Okay, if you want him to.
Watch. Austin sees everybody's flag and he just goes and tries. So he goes and tries to rip off everybody's flag. He really wants a flag. So we're gonna go. I think I'm gonna go find one. Maybe I can. I don't know where it would be. I see a lot of vendors there, but I didn't see any flags. But I do want to get him one. I'm standing in line to get some fries. I love fair fries with vinegar and salt and pepper. It is delicious. So it's not too bad of a line this year so far. Later on, it's gonna get a lot more busier.
Small fries, please. Anything else, dear?
No, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Okay.
What is it, dear? Anything else?
That looks really good. Maybe to have some. Barbecue, I don't know barbecue. Ketchup. Oh, there is ketchup. Doesn't look like I can do it. Okay. There you go. There's my fries. Look at him go.
Fries, yeah.
You want ketchup on it? You love fairs, don't you? Fair is fun. We get fries, we get friends. Is that the toy you got?
It's the only one I can afford.
Oh, let me see it.
It's a joke one. It's a joke. Pass it over.
Oh, Aiden is becoming a baby. His brother. brother, babe.
Austin, come. Come on. Whoa! You got a spinner? Show me how to do it, bud. Show me how to do it. Oh, nice. Look at you with your own fidget spinner.
You got your own? And brother has his own? Let me see. You do that, brother. Let me see you spin. Wow, nice. I love it. Oh.
No, thank you. But you keep it.
Let me see you spin it. Can you spin?
Actually, you have your own.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
That was so kind of you to give me one though. Nice, Austin. Woo!
Hi. So we're driving around trying to find a spot for to see the fireworks. Austin, what do you think of fireworks?
Let's go watch them. Wow, this is amazing. This is the best Austin's ever done. He's letting us come right up to the fireworks. He wants to walk right to it. Austin, what do you say? Oh, you're scared? But what is it doing? Boom! Oh, look at it. Yeah, you like it this year.
Ooh, pretty.
That's a nice one.
Nice. Hey, what color do you want? It's Echo.
That's a big ice cream. Wow. Austin, get down.
Look at all these people here for the fireworks. Whoa, that was a big boom. I think it's car. Do you hear the car? Look at all these people here to see the fireworks. My goodness.
Hey guys, we're enjoying the fireworks together. This is so fun. We haven't been able to do this for years. It's so awesome. I mean, it's sad that Austin's getting older, but it's fun that we can all do stuff. Do stuff. Okay, he gets scared during summer. This is a pretty big display right now.
I think this is the end. Well, thank you guys very much for watching.